In the spirit of our theme, Soar Together We Rise, this prayer dance reminds us that unity begins in humility and strength is born from surrender. Let us rise together, not just in celebration, but in devotion. As the dancers glide in reverence, may their movements transcend the physical and touch the spiritual, reminding us that every great journey begins with grace and gratitude. To commence this program on a note of sanctity, we invoke the divine through movement and melody, presenting a prayer dance, a divine offering that transcends words and speaks the language of devotion. Let the vibrations of praise envelop this space.
Flowers are the silent ambassadors of love, respect, and gratitude. Today, as we extend heartfelt welcome, let these bouquets symbolize our reverence and joy. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father Matthew Palachu-Whittle, a holy priest of the Diocese of Jalandhar, a missionary and a humble shepherd and a remarkable spiritual leader. Father Matthew is a distinguished scholar, gold medalist in economics from the University of Nagpur, ranked in MA English Literature, completed MTH in Pune, and earned Masters in Hebrew, Greek, Italian, German, French, and Latin from Biblico, Rome, followed by doctorate from Gregorian University, Rome. He has served as diocesan schools. He has served as director of diocesan schools and is currently the director of St. Jude's Convent School, Nakoda. He also contributes as a visiting professor at Holy Trinity Major Seminary, Chogiti, and as a source person offering retreats and spiritual guidance to priests, sisters, and seminar for teachers and students. With great joy, may I now invite Reverend Father James Ulate, the Director of St. Jude's Convent School, Mehdpur, to present a bouquet of warm welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Reverend Father Matthew Palachwite. Let us put our hands to welcome the Chief Guest of the day, Reverend Father Matthew Palachwite. Dear Father, we welcome you to St. Jude's Convent School, Mehdpur. With delight, I take this opportunity to introduce Mr. Manpreet Ram, the Principal of Government Senior Secondary School, Sangowal. His love for children and passion for teaching inspired him to pursue B.Ed, MA in Political Science and M.Ed. He began his service in education as an educator at HP Model Senior Secondary School, Sangowal. By God's special blessing, Mr. Manpreet was appointed as the Principal of Government Senior Secondary School, Sangowal in 2016. Since then, through his hard work and selfless service, the institution has achieved remarkable success. Now, with great joy, I kindly request Sister Jessie, the Principal, to present a bouquet of warm welcome to Mr. Manpreet Singh. I request the audience to give a huge round of applause to welcome Mr. Manpreet Ram, the Principal of Government Senior Secondary, Sangowal. May I now introduce a wonderful personality whose very presence fills us with joy and happiness. None other than our former director, Advocate Father Shine Sakaria. His integrity and great zeal for justice made him to do his higher studies in law from UK and Scotland. Being a registered member of Bar Association in the district of Jalandhar, he renders his service to all those in need of his help. He is also an eminent architect and artist. Presently, Father Sakaria is the director of Christ the King Convent School, Kapurthala, and the Zonal Coordinator, Jalandhar Zone 2. He is also rendering his service as Administration of Health Department of the Diocese of Jalandhar. We are deeply grateful, dear Father, for joining us today, for your gracious and generous help and unwavering support in all the needs of the Judean family. Now, with heartfelt appreciation, I kindly request Sister Flavia to present a bouquet of fondness to Father Shine Sakaria. Let us put up our hands together to welcome Advocate Father Shine Sakaria in St. Jude's Convent School, Mehdpur on the occasion of the annual function 2025. It is my great joy and privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guests, Mr. E.R. Balvinder Singh, SDO Mehdpur, Mr. Sukhvinder Singh, JE Mehdpur, Mr. Karanjit Singh, Mr. Rajkumar Jagga, Mr. Ajay Kumar Sood, Mr. Deepak Sood, Mr. Manoj Chopra, Mr. Rajinder Singh Sonu, Mr. Lakhvinder Singh, Mr. Ashok Chauhan, Mr. Vishal Sama, and Mr. Sonu Mittal. You stand apart in society through your readiness to serve humanity and through the noble contributions you render in your respective fields. We sincerely thank you for standing with us in all our needs and for gracing us with your presence today. Let us all give a big round of applause to honor our distinguished guests. I also extend a warm welcome to our appointed LMC members, Mr. Raman Masi, Mrs. Nisha, Mr. Jodh Prakash, and Mrs. Manjeet Kaur. We wholeheartedly appreciate your constant support and guidance. Now I turn to you, dear parents, the true pillars of the St. Ruth's family. Your presence strengthens us and your encouragement inspires our children. I warmly welcome each one of you to this day of joy and celebration as our children lead us into a world of festivity and talent. Last but certainly not least, I welcome the shining stars of the day, our beloved students. You are the heart and center of this function. Today is your moment as we look forward to seeing you to give your very best. Once again, I extend a warm and wholehearted welcome to all gathered here. May this annual day be a memorable celebration of togetherness